Hello friends, I am Pramod. Hope all are fine. Today you will discuss about how to find the particular integral by using the general method. Okay. To find the particular integral, we will use the three methods. One is shortcut method, another is general method, another is method of variation of parameter. Okay. So in this lecture, we will find the particular integral by using the general method. Okay. To find pi, you are using three methods. First is shortcut method. Second is general method. Third is method of variation of parameter. Okay. So in this lecture we will discuss about the general method. Okay. Second one, general method. Okay. Consider the linear differential equation f of d into y equals to f of x. So pi equals to 1 upon f of d into f of x. Okay. So in which case, in case of shortcut method, e raised to x sin x cos x, x raised to p, e raised to x into v, x v. So the general method is used in which we can't able to apply the shortcut method. Then in this case, we will use the general method. Okay. So exponential like what e raised to x. We can't apply type first. The type first is e raised to x. So type second, sin x cos x, but sin of e raised to x, the cos of e raised to x, not possible to apply the shortcut method. Ki 10x, ki log x. So in this case, we will choose the general method. Okay. So 1 upon f of d into f of x. So in case of general method, note 1 upon d f of x equals to integration of f of x dx, 1 upon d plus a f of x means function of x, plus a e raised to minus x, integration of e raised to x, f of x into dx, and 1 upon d minus a f of x equals to minus, it will start from plus, e raised to x, integration of e raised to minus x, f of x into dx. So this three formulas you will remember whenever you will use the general method. Either plus a, so it starts from minus, e raised to minus x, integration of e raised to x, f of x dx, and 1 upon d minus a, minus is there, it will start from plus, e raised to x, integration of e raised to minus x, f of x into dx. Okay. Suppose if f of d equals to d plus a or d plus b, suppose, then in this case we can directly use the formula, or you can use the concept of partial fraction, because you will split. So if f of d equal to this one, then what is pi? 1 upon f of d into f of x. So this is 1 upon f of d means what? So d plus a and d plus b into f of x. So you can 1 upon d plus a and 1 upon d plus b into f of x, you can solve it, or 1 upon d plus a into d plus b, that you will split into two parts by using the partial fraction. So this is partial fraction. तो 1 upon d plus a into d plus b equals to 1 upon a minus b, 1 upon d plus a minus 1 upon d plus b. ओके, बिकॉज इधर हमारा d प्लस ए, इधर हमारा d प्लस ए एंड d प्लस बी हमारा split into two parts, and next that is what, f of x. So thereafter you will use the f of x. So this is 1 upon a minus b, so 1 upon d plus a into f of x, and minus 1 upon d plus b into f of x. Okay, so in this way, by using partial fraction also you can able to solve it, or neither you can directly 1 upon d plus b into f of x, 1 upon d plus b, मतलब you will use this formula. ये सॉल्यूशन होने के बाद again 1 upon d plus a into f of x. You can also by using direct method and also by using partial fraction. So now you will solve the various types of problem based upon the general method. Now d square plus 3d plus 2 into y equals to e raised to x plus cos of e raised to x. Okay, so इधर हमारा d plus 1 and d plus 2 आएगा, इधर d plus a and d plus b. तो sometimes it is also d minus a and d minus b equals to 1 upon a minus b, 1 upon d minus a minus 1 upon d minus b. So if it is minus, it is a minus b, but it is plus, it is it is b minus a, it is b minus a, 1 upon f of d into f of x and 1 upon f of d into f of x, जो भी f of x रहेगा हमारा equals to f of x. Okay, तो प्लस में b माइनस ए लेने का एंड माइनस में a माइनस b लेने का, बट this is using the partial fraction, or also you can use the regular general method, you can solve that directly also. Okay, so this is, now you will solve it. Okay, you will find the complementary function, auxiliary equation, so d square auxiliary equation, that is f of d equals to 0, so d square plus 3d plus 2 equals to 0, तो d square plus d plus 2d plus 1 equals to 0, क्योंकि हमारे फैक्टराइज में हो रहा है, 3d है ना, d plus 2d ऐड करो ये आना चाहिए, मल्टीप्लिकेशन करो ये 2 आना चाहिए, तो 2d plus d 3d, 2d into d 2d square. This is the concept of factorization that you know. So either d will be common, d plus 1, either 2 this is 2, either 2 will be common, this is 2 plus 1 equals to 0, so this is d plus 2 and d plus 1 equals to 0 and d equals to minus 2 and minus 1. The roots are real and not repeated. What is CF? C1 e raised to minus 2x and C2 e raised to minus x. So now you will find PI, so 1 upon f of d into f of x, so 1 upon f of d, so this is d plus 2 and d plus 1, d plus a and d plus b into f of x, e raised to x plus cos of e raised to x. Okay, so this is 1 upon d plus 2. Suppose I will use the direct method, direct I will solve without using the partial fraction, so 1 upon d plus 1 e raised to x plus cos of e raised to x. Now this is 1 upon d plus a f of x. So what is the formula? 1 upon d plus a f of x. So this is plus is there, 1 upon d plus a f of x, the e raised to minus x, integration of e raised to x f of x into dx. This is the formula. So 1 upon d plus a, so this is 1 upon d plus 2 e raised to minus x. This is the total is what? F of x. The total is f of x, e raised to minus x, d plus a, and a equals to 1. Integration of e raised to x, a मतलब 1, f of x So this is e raised to x and cos of e raised to x into dx. Okay. So now you will integrate it to put e raised to x equals to t. Differentiate both sides, e raised to dx equals to dt. So this is 1 upon d plus 2 e raised to minus x integration of e raised to x equal to t, e raised to x dx. तो e raised to x dx, ये हमारा dx है, e raised to x dx equals dt. So this is dt. This is dt. And what is the value of e raised to x? What is the value of e raised to x? This is e raised to t. And cos of e raised to x, this is cos t. And already e raised to x dx, ये हमारा dt है. Yes. So this is 1 upon d plus 2 e raised to minus x integration of e raised to t, the sin का integration minus cos t and cos t का sin t plus sin t. So now again it is in the form of 1 upon d plus a f of x. So this is 1 upon d plus 2 e raised to minus x e raised to x and sin of e raised to x. Put the value of t equal to e raised to x. Now again it is in the form of 1 upon d plus a f of x. Now this is the total is what? The total is f of x and it is d plus a equals to what? 2. बोल formula बोलो. E raised to minus x e raised to minus 2x integration of e raised to 2x raised to x. The total is now f of x. So what is f of x? E raised to minus x e raised to x plus sin of e raised to x into dx. Okay. So this is e raised to minus 2x integration of x raised to m x raised to n. Same है ना? e raised to something x raised to something x raised to m into x raised to n. That is what? X raised to m x raised to m x raised to n equals to x raised to m plus n. Similarly, e raised to 2x e raised to minus x e raised to x and e raised to x plus sin of e raised to x into dx. Again same, put e raised to x equals to t, e raised to differentiate both side, e raised to x dx equals to dt. So similarly ये e raised to x है, e raised to x and dx, e raised to minus 2x integration of, so what is the value of e raised to x dx? dt. And put e raised to x equal to t. So e raised to x equal to t means e raised to t and sin of e raised to x, मतलब sin of t. Okay. So this is e raised to minus 2x integration of e raised to t sin integration of sin minus cos of t. Okay. So e raised to minus 2x integration of e raised to t and integration of sin minus cos t. Okay. So this is our PI. This is our CF. Then what is the total solution? Total solution y equals to yc plus yp. What is yc? c1 e raised to minus 2x, c2 e raised to minus x, and what is pi? Plus e raised to minus 2x, e raised to t minus, and t is there na, so e raised to t, that is what? That you convert in the form of e raised to x. So that is what? E raised to minus 2x, e raised to x minus cos of e raised to x. Because t you will convert in the form of e raised to x. So y equal to yc plus yp. So c1 e raised to minus 2x plus c2 e raised to minus x. This is CF plus pi. So e raised to minus 2x into e raised to t, matlab e raised to x minus cos of e raised to x. So this is the total solution by using the direct method. So in this way you will solve the various types of problems based upon by using the general method. Now you will solve the another problem, that is go to the next problem, that is d square plus 5d plus 6 into y equals to e raised to minus 2x sec square x plus 1 into 1 plus 2 10x. Solution. You will find the complementary function auxiliary equation d square plus 5d plus x equals to 0, d square plus 2d plus 3d plus 6 equals to 0, d will be common, d plus 2, 3 will be common, d plus 2 equals to 0. So this is d plus 3 and d plus 2 equals to 0, d equals to minus 3 and minus 2. So what is CF? C1 e raised to minus 3x, C2 e raised to minus 2x. So now you will find Pi. So Pi equals to 1 upon f of d into f of x. So 1 upon d plus 3 and d plus 2 into f of x, e raised to minus 2x sec square x into 1 plus 2 10x. So this is 1 upon d plus 3 and 1 upon d plus a, 1 upon d plus a, f of x equals to formula put karo e raised to minus ax plus है ना, e raised to minus ax, integration of e raised to ax f of x. Now this is f of x. So e raised to minus 2x sec square x 1 plus 2 10x to dx. So e raised to 2x, e raised to minus 2, that is cancelled. So this is 1 upon d plus 3 e raised to minus 2x into sec square x 1 plus 2 10x dx. So now you will find out the integration this one. So put 10x equal to t. Put 10x equal to t. Then sec square x dx equals to dt. So sec square x dx equals to dt. So this is 1 upon d plus 3 e raised to minus 2x integration of 1 plus 2t and sec square x dx equals to dt 1 plus 2t. So this is 1 upon d plus 3 e raised to minus 2x integration of 1 into dt. This is t plus 2t. This is 2 into t square by 2. Okay. So 2 cancel हो गया. Yes. Now this is 1 upon d plus 3 e raised to minus 2x t. T means 10x plus 10 square x. Okay. Yes. Now this is total f of x. Okay. So now the total f of x. Okay, 1 upon d plus a. So this is e raised to minus 3x integration of e raised to 3x, and this is e raised to minus 2x, and this is 10x plus 10 square x into dx. So 1 upon d plus e raised to 3, yes. So this is e raised to minus 3x integration of x raised to m, x raised to n, x plus m plus n. So 3x minus 2x e raised to x, and this one you will split 10x plus sec square theta minus 10 square theta equals to 1. So what is the value of 10 square x? So this is sec square x minus 1, sec square theta plus 10 square theta equals to 1. So 10 square x equal to 10 square sec square theta minus sec square theta minus 10 square theta equals to 1. Then what is the value of 10 square theta? So sec square theta minus 1 equals to 10 square theta. So that is sec square x minus 1 into dx. Okay. So now, so this one you will arrange in the formula that e raised to x f of x f dash x dx equals to e raised to x f of x plus c. E raised to x plus f of x plus c. So this is e raised to minus 3x integration of e raised to x. This is 10x minus 1 plus sec square x into dx. So this is 10x minus 1 equals to f of x. f of x plus f dash x इसका डेरिवेटिव है, तो 10x का डेरिवेटिव sec square x and 1 का 0. तो you will arrange in the formula of this one. Then e raised to minus 3x e raised to x f of x plus f dash x dx equals to e raised to x f of x. So this is 10x minus 1. So that is e raised to minus 3x into e raised to x. So e raised to minus 2x 10x minus 1. So this is y equals to CF plus PI. So what is CF? ये हमारा CF है. So that is y equals to CF plus e raised to minus 2x 10x minus 1. So this is your total solution. Okay, in this way, by using general method, you will solve the various types of problems. Okay, thank you.